let's do this. I bet you all of them got butterflies. Oh, get him! Go, 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 go! It's a full game. Let's go. In there. You traveled, and you got blocked. He is not ready. I got him doing it. That's it. Tanisha, can you get my average check? What are you doing? Can you get it? It's over there, under that pink jacket, that black. Okay, why'd they get rebound then? Oh, nice, go Aaron. It was an open. Go get some food. Nice! Jordan is ready. We're not sure on these goals. Go ahead. Easy. Take off on it. Oh. Will. We're not ready for that yet. Good. We don't do that up in here. We don't do that up in here in a popcorn. No. She looks stupid. She looks stupid. What you doing? I'm up on. You want to fight me over here? Go, Malcolm. Pass the ball. That's how you No, he should have stolen him because he was all alone.
Melina.
No, I can't.
My grade. I can play next Thursday.
Hey, everybody's grades is messed up on the team. We the only ones that's winning. But Melina, everybody got an F.
Everybody got an F.
I mean,
Hey, y'all see how slick they are flowing?
Oh! Don't be coming up in here and doing it. Oh, yeah. No, keep on taking it. It was a good shot.
there you go, Jordan.
Got that, baby.
Jordan is ready!
Hey, Jordan, take it in.
It's PG. It's
Oh, foul. Foul. That's a foul. You garbage, ref. The ref can kiss my ass. You can. Yay. Kiss my ass. Stop blocking. Exactly, but I mean, he blocked him. No, Malcolm. Man, Malcolm blocked that, man.
But I want to see if they go back. Steven!
It's about time to get to it. Under pressure. Yeah, he better not make that. You're a sucky white boy. Hey, white boy, step your game up.
Austin.
Bait.
He's got Austin!
Stop the clock. Go! Take you, Jordan. Foul. Jordan, stop the game. He sat there and complained. Who cares? That's the way you're not take the shot.
That was that.
He got him by the neck. You can punch right there. I'm sorry. What you got? No.
I'm going to say, okay, everybody.
I threw away something for him. I thought he was going to take me back. He said, okay.